Hello, everybody. My name is Alejandro Gendrap, and welcome back to UC San Diego Trio's presentation on how to get great grades in college. Now, last time we covered how to study efficiently, and this time we are going to be covering topic number 4, how to take good notes. Now, the very first step of how to take good notes is to actually be at the place where notes are taken. So, never skip class. No matter how tired or busy you are, and you will be tired and busy, it is important to attend class. It is going to seem very attractive to skip class, especially if you have one of the earlier classes. But you need to make sure that you're getting enough sleep and that you are disciplining yourself enough to attend every class. Nothing will help you out more in the class than having the teacher and TA already there to ask questions. Attend class. And if you have any friends or classmates that are tempting you to not attend class, communicate to them that that's not how you're going to roll because you want to get the best grade possible. The type of notes you take depends on the class you are in, technical or non-technical. And we are now going to go into what a technical class means. Technical classes. Technical classes are the practice-based classes, engineering, economics, math, chemistry, biology, etc. The classes whose homework assignments are most likely to practice a certain series of things over and over and over again. So, take note of problems and steps to help you find a solution. Any cheat sheets, any shortcuts, any strategies that the professor presents to you, make sure to write those down. Take note of pathways and products for chemistry or biochemistry and write these notes by hand. Odds are you're going to be writing complex equations or complex diagrams, and typing these out can be incredibly slow. So to keep up with the professor or TA, make sure you write them by hand. And we don't necessarily mean on paper. If you have a smart tablet with a pencil that you can write as effectively as you can on paper, then by all means use that. I highly recommend it. But make sure you type these notes. Make sure you write these notes by hand. Don't leave notes unfinished if the professor goes too fast. Make sure you are keeping up, and if you're not able to keep up, make sure to ask them later and finish the notes as soon as possible after class. Don't wait until the next day. I would say don't even wait until your next class. Make sure you have everything you need from the lecture or from the discussion that day immediately after class. But if you're still having trouble keeping up with the professor or TA and you're still having complete notes, then borrow other students' notes to check the professor's PowerPoint or check the professor's PowerPoint. Odds are professors and TAs are going to be uploading the material that they use in class in order to help out any students that aren't there or to help out any other students that want to write more thorough notes after class. So take advantage of everything that your professors give you. Now, for the non-technical classes, these are classes like literature, history, philosophy, politics, etc., the idea-based classes. Because they are idea-based classes, you should note the main ideas. Any big points that an author mentions, anything the professor believes, anything that the TAs mentioned to focus on, write those down. Make an effort to single out key ideas and concepts and highlight them in your notes. Make your notes easy to come back and read and get the gist of whatever the notes are about. And to help you out, type these notes. Since odds are you're not going to be writing any complex equations or copying down any complicated diagrams, you can type these notes. And it is in my experience that typing notes is a lot faster than writing notes. So it'll definitely help you out in keeping up with the professor as well. Now, this is going to be it for note-taking strategies. Again, try out different things, try out different formats, try out different strategies for taking notes, as each student will have a different time with a certain strategy. Figure out what works for you and stick to it. That's going to be it for note-taking strategies. Next time, we will be covering how to perfect your study technique. See you then.